Morning students, I hope you all are safe and fine. Now your assessments are over and we will be starting with the regular classes. In maths, we come to chapter number 3, playing with numbers. In this chapter, we will learn about the different mathematical equations, different operations of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, etc. Then the divisibility rules. We will learn about HCF, LCM. We will do separately as per the separate exercise. So in the first exercise, we will learn how to solve different different processes of maths, different processes like division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, if they are given in the same equation. If these different operations are given in the same equation, how to solve them? You know very well that we have to follow the rule of the BODMAS. B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. And this is the sequence according to which we have to follow. What is the sequence? First we have to solve the bracket, then off if it is given in the equation, then division, multiplication, then addition, and last of all subtraction. Okay, then only your answer will come correct. We have to follow this sequence, BODMAS. Above from that, there is one more thing which I want to tell you, that bar. If bar is given on top of any two numbers, then that operation will be solved first. Bar means a line on top of the two numbers or three numbers, whatever it is. So suppose it is 7 plus 4 plus 5 minus 3. Okay, you can say, ma'am, we have to do addition first, so we can do 7 plus 4. No, there is a bar on top of 4 and 5, so you will solve this portion first. So it will be 7 plus 9 minus 3. Then you will do the addition. 7 plus 9 gives you 16, minus 3, that gives you 13. Is that clear? Okay, so we will take the exercise, we will do the questions, and it will be more clear to you then. Now we come to the first question, in which we will do the first part. First part says 5 multiplied by 6 divided by 2. Okay, so according to BODMAS, there are two operations here. There is multiplication and there is division. But we have to do which one first? Here bracket is not there, okay, leave it. Off is not there, leave it. Division is there, so we will divide it first. So it will be 5 multiply will remain as it is. We are not solving this first. So it will be 5 multiplied by 6 divided by 2. This operation you will perform first. So 6 divided by 2 gives you 3. So it will be 3. Then 5 multiplied by 3, it gives you 15. Clear? Now we come to the fourth part. Fourth part says 39 divided by 3. This is in bracket, plus 7. So again you will follow the BODMAS. According to BODMAS, bracket has to be solved first. So this portion which is in the bracket, whatever operation is here, we have to solve it first. Whether it is division here, whether it is multiplication or addition or subtraction. Since it is in bracket, so you have to solve this first. So it will be 39 divided by 3 will give you 13, right? And then plus 7 gives you 20. Now we come to the sixth part. It says minus 2 plus 8 divided by 4. Follow the BODMAS rule. Here there is, how many operations are there? There is minus 2, okay, this is a sign with this only, okay, and there is plus operation and there is a division. So division will be performed first. So it will be minus 2 plus will remain as it is, 8 divided by 4, it gives you 2, right? So it is minus 2 plus 2. When the same numbers are there with the opposite signs, they get cancelled. So answer becomes 0. Suppose it had been minus 8 plus 8, same numbers with the opposite signs, they get cancelled, answer comes 0. Now we come to the seventh part. It says 17 plus 3 into 5 minus 6. It is in bracket, right? So bracket has to be solved first. So it will be 17 plus 3 into 5 gives you 15 minus 6. Now how many operations are left? Plus and minus. Okay, two operations are left. So according to BODMAS, which will come first? The addition one. So 17 plus 15 will give you 32. Minus 6 will give you 26. 26 is the answer. Now we come to the eighth part. 8th part says minus 5 minus 48 divided by 16 plus 2 into 6. So according to BODMAS, the division will be performed first. Okay. So here what will happen now? It will be minus 5 minus 3. How come this 3 has come? 48 divided by 16 gives you 3. This portion has to be solved first. Okay, this gives you 3. Minus 5 minus 3. Minus sign will remain here. Okay, then plus 2 into 6. Now after this what will be performed? Now here this is minus minus plus and multiplication. So multiplication will be performed first. Now, so it will be minus 5 minus 3 plus 2 6 are 12. Till here it is all clear. Now girls, here it is minus 5 minus 3 plus 12. So you will say ki ma'am, we have to do the addition first. Okay, but here girls, we have to see the signs also. Here these are two with signs. These are with the opposite signs. Sign is always on the left hand side of the number. So this is with plus, this is with minus, this is with minus. Okay, so here these two cannot be added. Why? Because there is a minus sign over it. Is that clear? So what you will do is you will add these two first. All the minus will be added together. Minus minus, it becomes plus, but the sign remains minus only. This is minus 5, this is minus 3. So add them together. Both are with the minus signs. So 5 and 3 will give you 8, but the sign will be of minus only. Minus 8 and plus 12. Now these two are with the different signs. Whenever the numbers are with the different signs, suppose here it is minus 8, here it is plus 12. You do not know what to do. Then we always do the subtraction. See, negative and positive, they will always be subtracted and the sign of the greater number will come. So 8 and 12, they will be subtracted. 12 minus 8 gives you 4, right? And which is the sign of the greater number? Here 12 is greater than 8. 12 is having positive sign, so here positive sign will come. Positive means no sign. So 4 is the answer. Clear? Now we come to the second question. Second question, we will do the second part. Second part says 9 minus, now in the bracket 7 minus 8 divided by 4. Bracket we have to solve first, but in the bracket also there are two operations, minus also, division also. So we will do the division first. Okay, so it will be 9 minus 7 will remain as it is and 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 will give you 2. It will be 7 minus 2. Now you will solve this. So it will be 9 minus 5. 7 minus 2 gives you 5. It will be equal to 4. 4 is the answer. Now let's come to the third part. Third part says 63 minus, now there are two brackets here girls. One is this bracket, the outer one, and one is the smaller inner one. Always solve the inner bracket first, which is in the inner side. This is still on the outer side. So always solve the inner bracket first. This is a rule. So it is 63 minus 24 minus 20. This has to be solved first. It will give you 4. Multiplied by 15. 15 will remain as it is. Right? 4 into 15. So it will be 63 minus, now you can solve this, 60. 63 minus 60 is equal to 3. Now girls, we come to the third question. Third question says 24 divided by, now in the bracket there is 87 minus 3 and 5 of 5. This is still in the another bracket. Then the bracket gets closed. So here I told you we have to solve the inner bracket first. Okay. So how to solve that inner bracket? It will be 24 divided by 87, you will write as it is, minus 3 and 5 of 5. Of means multiplication. So it will be 5 into 5. That will be 25. Got it? 25 and then the bracket closed. So it will be 24 divided by 87 minus, now we will solve this first. Okay? 3, and when there is no sign between the bracket and the number, it means multiplication again. So 3 multiplied by 25 will give you 75. Right? Now here this bracket has gone now. Only this is left. So it will be 24 divided by, now 87 minus 75 gives you 12. So 24 divided by 12 gives you 2. We have to go step by step. First solve the innermost bracket. 5 of 5. Of means multiplication. That gives you 25. Then solve this first. Okay. 3 into 25. There is no sign. So no sign means multiplication. Bracket and the number, when there is no sign between the bracket and the number, it means multiplication. So 3 into 25 gives you 75. Now you will solve this, which gives you 12, and then 24 divided by 12 gives you 2. Clear? Now girls, we come to the fifth question. Fifth question says 2 minus, now there are 3 brackets in this question, so understand it carefully. 3 minus, then the second bracket starts 6 minus, in the third bracket starts 5 minus 4 minus 3, and there is a bar on this, then the 3 brackets end. Now girls, you have to solve the innermost bracket first. I am repeating again. Innermost bracket is this one. Okay, and here also there is a bar on those 2 numbers. So we have to solve these 2 numbers first. So it will be 2 minus 3 minus 6 minus 5 minus, now 4 minus 3 will give you 1. Right? So here we have solved this first. Now we will solve now this the inner bracket first. Okay, it will be 2 minus 3 minus 6 minus 5 minus 1 gives you 4. Right? So this bracket has gone now. This we have solved. 4. So now which is the bracket left now, the innermost? This is the now innermost bracket. So we will solve this first. So it will be 2 minus 3 minus 6 minus 4 gives you 2. So this bracket has also gone. This has been solved. Here 2 is left. Now we will solve this bracket. So it will be 2 minus 3 minus 2 gives you 1. 2 minus 1 gives you 1. Clear? Now girls, we come to the 7th question. 7th question says 5 into, no sign means into. Okay. 18 divided by 8 minus 5. There is a bar on this. Minus 30 plus 2 into 10 divided by 5. Okay, so first we have to solve the bar, you know that. So it will be 5 into 18 divided by 3. 8 minus 5 gives you 3. Right? The rest as it is. We are not solving it first. Now you know that the inner bracket is this one. So let's solve the inner bracket. So it will be 5 into 18 divided by 3 gives you 6. 5 into 6. Minus 30, rest as it is. We are not solving it. So now here we will solve this first. 5 into 6. So it gives you 30. 30 minus 30. Okay. This whole bracket is 30 minus 30. Then plus 2 multiplied by 10 divided by 5. 30 minus 30 gives you 0. We have solved the bracket. Okay. Plus 2 into 10 divided by 5. So here the division 1 will be formed first. So it will be 2, 0. You don't want to add, leave it because 0 has no value. 2 into 2 gives you 4. Okay. So with this we come to an end of this exercise. In the 8th question, which is an MCQ, it says add parenthesis. Parenthesis means the bracket. So you will do it on your own, and the 9th one also on your own. Okay.